Okay. You got Ben and Amanda, right? So I'm just going to use B for Ben. Here's Ben. He starts from this point and he starts walking. And his rate is 3 miles per hour. I have no idea how long his total walk is, so I'll just say that he walks times t, a time of t. Then you got Amanda. Amanda starts from the same point. She eventually will catch up to Ben right here. Her rate is 6 miles per hour. Okay. That's all I know. And, oh wait, I do know one more thing. I know that, Ben start 1.5 hours after Ben leaves his sister, boy, I'm having trouble talking. Sister Amanda begins jogging along the same path at 6 miles per hour. Okay. From this picture, I can tell you that the distance that Ben goes equals the distance that Amanda goes. But I don't know what that distance is. I do, however, know that distance is the same thing as your rate times your time. So the rate times the time for Ben should equal the rate times the time for Amanda. And I do have enough information to plug into that. I know that Ben's rate was 3 miles per hour, and I know that he went t hours. Amanda was going 6 miles per hour. And now here's where you have to think outside the box. She left 1.5 hours after Ben. Now, Ben traveled for a total of t hours, and she left 1.5 hours after him. So whatever time Ben travels, hers would be 1.5 hours less than that. And that's how I see this picture. And now I'm going to solve this equation. I'm going to have 3t equals, I'm going to distribute the 6. That's going to be 6t minus 6 times 1.5 is 9. I am then going to subtract 6t from both sides. Sorry about this. And then that's going to give me negative 3t equals negative 9. I'm running out of room, so follow me. And then if you divide both sides by negative 3, you're going to get t is a positive 3. However, that t right here, that is Ben's time. And the question was, how long in hours will it be before Amanda catches up to Ben? Amanda is t minus 1.5. And since he was 3 hours, that would be 3 minus 1.5, which is 1.5. It will take her 1.5 hours to catch up to Ben. Now, there's more than one way you could solve this problem. I could have, it probably would have made more sense to allow Amanda to be t, and then Ben, and you can do it this way, you could let her be t, and then Ben would have to be t plus 1.5. That way, when I'm done solving for t, I know Amanda. I'm done. But I guess the way it worded it, it said she left 1.5 hours after Ben, so I just started with Ben. But anyway, I hope that makes sense.